Hi, I am Fayaz. I welcome my viewers. Today we finish a complete chapter of the smallest denomination of Indian currency or Indian Republic coins. That is, whether you call it 1 paise, 1 naya paisa, or 1 paisa. The first smallest coin was circulated after 1947 in 1950 from Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad. It was a bronze coin, but the bronze was not strongest metal or right metal for the coin, as it damages after some time. Its weight is 3.88 grams. On 1950, and from 51 to 55 it was 2.9 grams. The weight was reduced. Weight of the coin was reduced, or you may call it weight of the metal was reduced, and the dia was 21.33 mm. Then it was 1951 from Hyderabad, Bombay and Calcutta. These are all common coins. You may say its value is being the very, you may call it a senior coin or the old coin. Its value is 50 to 100 rupees each. It is 1951 coin. It is called the horse coin because horse in the middle. 1 paise, 1 paise. 1951. No meat mark. It is Kolkata mint. It is Ashoka Stambha in the middle of the coin, and Government of India in circle on the outer circle of the coin. Now it is 1952. Bombay Mint coin. In the middle, flying horse. Then 1953, the same coin, weight 2.9 grams, dia 21.33. Then comes 1954. This is 1954 coin, and thereafter comes 1955, but unfortunately I am not having that coin in my collection. These were all 1 paise, P-I-C-E, not paisa. Then comes one paisa from 1957. And the metal changes here. Same metal, bronze. These were circulated from 1957 to 61. Their weight is 1.5 grams and size 16 mm. and you see on the circle on the outer of one, or here you see rupai ka samwa bag. From here the 1 rupee note or 1 rupee coin was calculated as 100 naya paisa. Now comes 1958. You see रुपए का संवा बाग, नया पैसा, एक नया पैसा, 1958. It is a Bombay mint coin. Now it is 1959. This is 1959 coin. The same coin, no difference, same naya paisa, रुपए का सवा बाग, 1959. It is a Hyderabad mint coin. You see here. Bharat in Devanagari and India in Hindi. In the center is Ashoka Istanbul. Here, now it is 1960. The same naya paisa, probably it is a Bombay mint coin. Same रुपए का सवा बाग, एक नया पैसा in Devanagari. Now is 1961. Yes, it is 1961. It is last coin in bronze metal. Now it is 1962, but unfortunately 1926 coin is misplaced. Otherwise it was in my collection. Now it is 1963. 1963 is the same naya paisa coin, but the metal is different. It is nickel brass instead of bronze. Other than metal, everything is same, no change. It is 1963, नया पैसा, एक रुपए का सवा बाग. Here, it is Bharat in Devanagari and India in English on both sides of the Ashoka Istanbul. Now then it is 1963. 1963 is, I think, is not in collection. Now it is 1964. Now it is from bronze to nickel brass. These were minted in Hyderabad, Bombay and Kolkata. Their value is 10 to 15 rupees. And now from there the decimal changes from naya paisa or 1964 decimal changed is ek paisa. Here, see, ek paisa in 1964. Probably it is a Bombay Mint coin. Now comes the last session of one paisa, that is the aluminum magnesium coin. Bronze and brass are replaced by aluminum magnesium. At the aluminum and magnesium are in the ratio of 96:4. Its weight is 0.75 grams. It was circulated in 1965. When the prices of metals grew up, the metal was changed to aluminum. It was circulated in 1965 from Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad. This is a scarce coin. Then 1995 is not in my collection. Now it is 1966. 1966 was also minted in Bombay, Calcutta, Hyderabad. These are common coins. And 1967. This is 1967. Slightly, whether it is insulation problem or it is a PMD, I don't recognize it. It is 1967. Then comes 1968. That too is not in my collection. Then 1969, 1970, 1971, 1972 was the last aluminum magnesium one paisa coin. You see here, paisa in Devanagari, paisa in Hindi. 1966 one, and you see here Bharat in Devanagari, India in Hindi, and in the middle is Ashoka Stambh. The all one paisa coins are end here in 1972. Hope you might have enjoyed the video. Thank you.